I got this vinegar and this seal's water, and I'm doing a dead challenge. And okay, I got you. And here, and so here I go.
This is a totally vegan recipe. The one I'm getting, no, the one I'm doing. The muffins.
That's strong.
Cooked with coconut. You think I should put coconut on the top? I still have fun.
That's
You could
nasty.
do that? And what's strange about it is that mixing the flax with the yogurt totally made it like 80.
Show me taking a picture.
I even want walnut.
That's not mine. I said that's not mine. Oh, even I didn't take that much. No wonder I finished so fast.
Of course you shouldn't take that much. Look at the size of you.
You shouldn't take that much. You're so
Stella, get out of here. She really wants to make me go. I know! Just because she had a fun time yesterday with us, now she's...
Bye.